Hello guys, today I'm pretty excited to present to you my brand new tutorial. Unfortunately guys, please don't dislike the video because I know it's in portrait orientation, meaning it's straight and not horizontal so that you get full screen. But that's unfortunately due because my tripod is broken. I am very sorry, but I'm still going to do the video for you guys. So basically, what do we have here? So right there we've got, those are kind of the items you're gonna need to make a small little water pump. So basically that's a little DC motor, a 3-volt DC motor. As you can see here, nothing special about that. Then you're gonna need 2 bottle caps, identical if possible. Unfortunately, one of mine is quite damaged. I apologize for that, but it's gonna be useful because it's gonna serve its purpose. The third one is not only a bottle cap, it's actually a complete little bottleneck that you cut off from a bottle. Yeah, and of course you're gonna need your glue gun, a small little tube with some blue tack, a little blue tack ring around it for a special purpose. I'm gonna tell you later in the video. A longer little tube for the outlet of the pump, and yeah, a little stick. It looks like a popsicle sticks. You just kind of get those. It's for making the propeller. Now that showed you. And finally this. This is a little Lego pin. Yes, indeed, a small little Lego Technic pin. As you can see here. Let me try to focus on that. No. Oh, there you go. Pretty much. So basically, I'm gonna use that as an adapter. I'm gonna put like the motor. I'm gonna use it to. You're gonna see. I have this because if you didn't know, I'm a big Lego fan, and one of my latest creations is that. Let me show it to you very fast. So yeah, my latest little Lego creation. I made it. It's fully custom. It's a mod. I used many Lego pieces. You can see here, little headquarter. It's pretty big. Little helicopter, helipad, minifigures everywhere. Roof, radar. So look at it. And that's my custom minifigure because it's supposed to represent me. I like it very much. It's cool. So now guys, I forgot to mention about power. So basically here, you can basically power your pump with anything you want, either a battery, but I'm going to use a little charger. It was an old RC car battery charger. It's 7.2 volts, 250 milliamps. So basically, it's going to have some juice. I already took the little adapter apart to get the wires, so it's very easy. Just try that. You're gonna get better performance. So let's jump into the tutorial. So for this part, you'll need not the hot glue. You'll need the hot glue gun next part, but you want to make in one of the caps those kind of holes. You make a standard hole over there. I used my solder iron to make it, off camera of course. Then we've got a couple of holes that I did with a thumbtack. This is going to be our inlet. Then with the other one, you need to make one hole in the pure middle so that the shaft of the motor can get into the pump. So it's a bit rough because I made it with my knife. As you can see, try to see. Okay, I'm gonna polish it a little bit and then we'll jump to the next step. Coming to this step, guys, you're gonna need, I forgot to mention, one of those little cocktail umbrellas, because there's this little ring right here that we desperately need, because this is made so that water doesn't come into the motor. So we just place it right here for later use. So now we're gonna take the hot glue gun right there, and then we're gonna put some more bits of hot glue to glue all around the hole to glue the motor in place. Hopefully I'm not too off limits. Okay, and basically there's the motor. There's the motor. Gonna slowly place it in and wait till it dries. See the little ring? It's good for your pump itself. Put some more onto the side. Needs to be sturdy. Okay. You want to mark out some pieces out of that popsicle stick where you're going to cut the propeller. So you want to make two identical rectangles when you measure the diameter of a cap. You want to make it slightly smaller so that it fits into the cap. By now you should have something like that. Now you want to mark out the center of this little wood part, and then sorry guys. So basically you wanna glue that little Lego pin to it. Unfortunately guys, it didn't turn out great, so I'm gonna do the propeller by marking out the same size of the parts in wood with that little card. It needs to be solid, and unfortunately mine was not. Sorry guys. You should finally be left with something looking like this. So we got the glued plastic, we got the Lego Technic pin, got a little focus, there it goes. Yeah, pretty much. Now you want to glue it into the motor. It should look like that. So the engine, cap, little propeller. Then you want to make a small notch into the second cap, small little notch on both of them, so that the outlet tube can be there. And then you glue both of them together. It should look like that. See, completely sealed little notch. Now you want to insert that little pipe into the middle and hot glue all around. You can make yours the way you want, but I made mine like that by giving the pipe an angular cut and putting it into a vertical position, so the pump will be like that. Then you want to make the connections with the motor and add glue this bottleneck so that the engine is protected. Finally guys, your final product, a full awesome working pump. I am gonna do a second video to show you a full in-depth tour of this pump, showing you how it works and how you can make it work better. So basically, remove that cap. So we've got our engine sealed from water, and our connections have been made through the cap. You can squeeze all the wires in there, connected to the charger, and basically our huge propellers in there. And basically you can customize it, and as I told you, you can put that as a stand, just like that, put it. And also you can add the inlet tube, which I'm not going to add. So goodbye guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe my channel.